Assalamualaikum to Madam Nur Zaila binti Rafal and my fellow friend. Today I would like to present about my product. Before that, I want to introduce about myself. I'm student from Polytechnic Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah. My name is Muhammad Amri bin Muhammad Arif. My registration number is 08DPB21F1027. After that, I will introduce about my company and my management team. My company name is Highkiss Enterprise, and the tagline we use is smart and premium. Management team consists of Hafiz Mazlan as mechanical manager, Hafiz Shakir as a sales manager, and the last is Shami as a operator manager. My product is a smart digital door lock. Introduction. A smart door lock is an electronic and mechanical locking device that opens wirelessly with an authorized user authentication and a smart horn. Smart door lock allow a homeowner to enter their home or provide other access without requiring a traditional key. But my company produce the upgraded version, more sophisticated and modern. The primary function of smart digital door lock is you can use as a lock the door without traditional key. And then the secondary function of smart digital door lock is you can make it as a smart accessory to make your home light, smart and premium. The current existing problem of the similar product is the smart digital door lock does not respond and cannot be function like normal. And the smart digital door lock has been used for a long time and the surface is dim. Why I chose the particular product? However, smart door lock do eliminate the risk of someone sweeping the key from underneath your doormat without the key copies or have a spare. You have fewer method of entry to your home floating around in the form of physical key. Why my new upgraded smart digital door lock is better? Because my digital door lock become with feature like voice control, face identification, fingerprint, camera, and the smart digital door lock under my company can be monitored from your smartphone. How my upgraded product will be able to solve the problem? First, my company improved the existing system to have a more efficient and effective system, designed with a more luxurious and durable design. The community that will benefit from my choosing product is everyone, no matter old or young, will benefit from this product because my smart digital door lock is designed for all people and all generation can be used. 3 value benefit of your product to the community. First, improved security and convenience for elderly or disabled. And the last is accessibility.